Hi everyone, thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. In this video, I'll show you how to build a MILS plate. MILS stands for Modular Integrated Landscape System, and there's so much you can do with it. I converted our Lego city to MILS when we rebuilt all of our modulars after moving houses last year. The MILS plates make the buildings so much more stable when you're moving them around and changing the layout of your city. They provide channels underneath for wires if you want to light up your buildings or include other power functions. The downside, though, is the cost, as MILS plates use a lot more parts. But to me, it's totally worth it, and I've decided to go with MILS for all of our modulars and larger structures. For the parts list, you're going to need 56 2x2 bricks in any color, 8 2x3 bricks in any color, 8 1x4 bricks with holes for Technique pins, and 64 4x4 plates in whichever color you prefer for the surface. Start out with a 2x2 brick in each corner. Then put 2 of the 1x4 bricks with holes for Technique pins on either side. These 1x4 bricks with pins will be what you use to connect different buildings or blocks in your city. Then put a 2x3 brick on either side of those 1x4s. Now you're ready to space out your 2x2 bricks. For the first row inside the perimeter, you place them 1 stud apart. But for subsequent rows, these bricks are spaced 2 studs apart until you fill up the whole field of play, leaving no more than 2 stud gaps in between the bricks. This is crucial for the final step, where you'll place the 4x4 plates covering the whole surface. Due to the 2 stud gaps, these plates will be thoroughly supported and the whole MILS plate will feel very stable once complete. You can wave it around, give it a little bend, and shake it without any worry of parts falling off. You've built your first MILS plate. The color of the 4x4 plates on the surface is totally up to you. Building a forest scene? Use green. Water world? Go with blue. A sandy beach? You get the drill. Use whichever color best matches what you're trying to build. Or use whatever color you have on hand and cover it all over with what you're building. It's Lego. Go have fun. And that is how you build a MILS plate. Hope you learned from this video and go out and build your own. Go ahead and ask any questions you want in the comments, and thanks for liking this video and for subscribing to our channel.